In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to revert your Photoshop document back to a previous version. Whether you've made a series of changes you're not happy with, accidentally clicked save when you shouldn't have, or just want to start over from a cleaner slate, knowing how to quickly and confidently restore your work can be a real lifesaver. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple steps to undo your edits and get your project back to its last saved state, or the original image from when you opened it, if you haven't saved yet. Let's dive right in. First up, there's a built-in feature in Photoshop called Revert. This is your go-to tool for quickly undoing all the changes you've made since your last save. To access this, just head up to the menu bar at the top, click on File, and then choose Revert from the drop-down menu. Give it a moment. Depending on the size of your document or how many changes you've made, it may take a few seconds for things to refresh. What's happening behind the scenes is Photoshop is essentially throwing away all the edits you've made since your previous save, instantly restoring the file to that saved state. Imagine you've been experimenting with colors, adding new layers, maybe making a few bold moves with your adjustments. But after seeing the results, you realize you preferred something you had earlier. Choosing File Revert is like stepping into a time machine that brings your document back to that exact moment you last hit save. It's a great option when you're feeling stuck or just want to hit the reset button without trying to manually undo dozens of actions. Now, what if you haven't saved since you first opened the file? In that case, using Revert will actually return the document to how it looked the very moment you opened it for this editing session. So, if you're worried that you've lost the original and you haven't saved over it, Revert's got you covered. This can be super helpful if you get a little too enthusiastic with your edits and want to start totally fresh with the base image. If you're all about speed, and let's be honest, most of us are when we're working, there's an even faster way to accomplish exactly the same thing. Just press the F12 key on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly performs the File Revert action, so no extra clicking required. If you're someone who likes to test a bunch of creative approaches quickly, knowing this shortcut can save you a bunch of time. You might be trying out various filters, transforming layers, or going down some inventive rabbit holes. At any moment, if things get a little muddled or you decide you don't want the changes, just tap F12 and watch your document snap back to that previously saved version. Don't worry if you feel a little nervous about losing some of your recent work. Remember, this Revert feature only returns the document to the last time you saved, or to the original state if you haven't saved yet. It's always a good habit to save versions of your work if you want the option to go back to specific points. But this method is perfect for those times when you need a quick reset. So that's all there is to it. Either head up to File and choose Revert, or simply press F12 for the shortcut. Both methods are quick, straightforward, and let you confidently get your Photoshop document back to a cleaner starting point. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else you want to see covered next. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Photoshop tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.